Hi, I am Ross Christian Garcia, currently working for Umay Sushi as a line cook here in Canada. Reflecting some of the most valuable lessons that I learned from this subject, the principles of management, lessons that not only shape successful organizations but also inspire effective leadership and meaningful impact. Clarity of vision and mission. One of the first and most enduring insights in management is the importance of defining a clear vision and mission. A well-articulated direction not only anchors decision-making but ignites motivation across teams. The balance between planning and flexibility. Management is often described as the art of planning, but it is also the art of pivoting. Strategic thinking gives us the roadmap. The adaptability is what keeps us on course when faced with inevitable change. The power of people. Organizations are powered not only just by system, but by people. Understanding human behavior, fostering teamwork, and encouraging professional growth are not side notes, they're core principles. When we manage with empathy and recognize individual strengths, we unleash true potential. Decision making and problem solving. Effective managers don't just make decisions, they make informed decisions using tools like SWOT analysis, feedback loops, and data driven approaches. The best leaders combine intuition with evidence, and more importantly, they don't shy away when they're wrong. Efficiency without losing humanity. Yes, management is about maximizing productivity and minimizing waste. But real efficiency comes when systems support, not stifle, creativity. When employees aren't just resources, but respected contributors. Continuous learning and improvement. Finally, management isn't a fixed skill, it's a journey. The principle of continuous improvement, or Kaizen, reminds us that excellence is a moving target. Today's success is tomorrow's foundation. In conclusion, management is more than policies and procedures. It's a mindset, one rooted in purpose, powered by people, and shaped by change. Let's carry these principles forward not just as strategies, but as values and evaluate our impact whenever we lead. Thank you. I made it to my priority not just to complete assignments, but to truly understand the core ideas of effective management, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. I approach every module with curiosity and willingness to apply what I learned. All of this leads me to say that I believe I deserve an excellent grade in this course simply because I've demonstrated a real commitment to learning, improvement, and leadership. I've met the academic expectations, but I've also internalized the principles in a way that I'll carry forward into future roles and challenges. Thank you.